Welcome. In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can enable or disable Bluetooth, and also how you can connect Bluetooth device to this laptop. So what we have to do, simply go for the settings. Right now pick devices, and right now enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Next, to pair device, we have to click here, choose the device Bluetooth, and right now we have to move our second device to the pairing mode. So right now I'm going to press the Bluetooth key on my Bose device. Let's make it another time. Okay, right now my speaker is in the pairing mode, so it will pop right here in a few moments. As you can see here, we got the other devices like Galaxy Fit 2 and 2 unknown devices. Let's wait for our speaker. It's here, so tap on it to connect. And as you can see, right now we are connected, so we can click done. And as you can see, that's how it looks. If you want to remove one of your pair device, for example the hard reset, or you can tap on it and then click to remove. Click yes, and that's it. So if you want to turn off Bluetooth, just tap on the switcher to turn it off. As you can see, it's very simple, and if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.